getting tangled up in my words. Keep stumbling, tumbling, tripping over my words. Lately I've had a problem, one that can't come undone. It's not a physical imperfection, it's just a little slip of the tongue, and it gets me in trouble. Of this I have no doubt. I just wish I gave some more thought to the words that come out of my mouth. Oh, words keep getting tangled up in my words. Keep stumbling, tumbling, tripping over my words. When she asks how do I look, and I hesitate, it's not that I don't know the answer, I just wanna wait to make sure I don't put my foot in my mouth. I need to take my time. I'm not trying to make anyone have to read between the lines. Oh,